that baseline, damn that waistline. Go, don't waste time. Yo, just hit me up on that FaceTime. Let's just spend time. Gon' press rewind. Ooh, that baseline, damn that waistline. Go, don't waste time.
You can. I just want the burger. What? It's not telling you. What else you want to buy? What if you? Hey everyone! Hey! So today we are trying the KFC. Dum 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 dum. We're trying the Uncle Waffles burger. Yo, I remember when they had Kentucky Town. This was like the one thing that I wanted to try, but because I couldn't get to Gateway, I didn't go. And also, since people were saying that the burger is small, I'm not too shocked that the burger is small anymore because people have been saying it's nice and warm. Yeah, let's. How long have been have? Wait. The one with the smell. It doesn't smell. It doesn't smell bad. Look at it. Like when they have. Not bad. It's warm. I feel like it also depends when you bought it. Probably some people bought it and it came cold. Yeah. But anyways, I'm definitely in. Hey, what? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Before you bite it, you can taste the waffle too. Okay, the waffles come in, and then the burger comes. It's different. Right. I like it. Yeah, it's different. I like it. It's nice. You always say that. It's nice. No, wait. Let me finish because I'm not done. The waffle is like fresh. It's soft. It's warm. The chicken tastes like chicken, but the sauce taste is different. Because a barbecue. I think it's barbecue. Okay, but it's not great. Yeah, let me finish. No, let me finish so I get what I'm saying first. Because this sauce, it tastes different. Probably people have a problem with the way it tastes because it's different. It doesn't taste like a normal barbecue that you'd have. Or chili flavor you'd have. But it's nice. It's different. Yeah, you're saying the cheese is quite okay. I can taste it now. But it's normal. It's like that. I mean, I don't like cheese on my burgers or anything, so I don't like cheese. But you can taste that it's cheese and it's that plastic dish or whatnot. But it's nice. Out of 5, I'd give it a. Yeah. Out of 5, I give it a 4. I was gonna say 5. I give it a 4. The reason why I'm giving it a 5 is because people have been saying this thing is whack, it's disgusting, disgusting. And I know some people are saying it's what's the madness and combination thing. So if you like it, it's nice. You like weird stuff, but it's nice. It's good, guys. It's not that bad. I feel it's like not bad. Yeah, some people have too much expectation from it, and they weren't happy. I want another one. Thank goodness I bought my own. And we even bought wings just in case. Dunks. Yeah, we bought dunked wings in case it was that bad. But it wasn't bad, guys. And I feel like if you want to taste it, you have to taste it yourself, because hearing the reviews online, obviously people are going to give their own opinions, but go try it out for yourself. We use it now. It's good. And there's a bit of mayo. Yeah, it's actually nice. Like the cake, but I like the sweet and sour, or sweet and savory. And the packaging is so cute, like. And I'm so happy we actually got what we ordered, because online you'd see this box and it was like black and white. Because I know some people also got a red one, so it's actually nice to actually get what you see on the internet. That was too good. Can we get the bell? Per.
Time, gon' press rewind.